Hello, everyone, and welcome to the presentation on the integration of augmented reality, virtual reality, and haptics in education. So, in recent years, as we have seen a rapid advancement in technology, and these innovative technologies have provided a unique opportunity to transform the traditional methods of the learning. So, as we have seen, that the AR and VR in particularly have shown great potential to enhance the educational experience by providing immersive and interactive environments. So, furthermore, with the AR and VR, the important thing is the integration of a haptics, which basically enables the users to experience the sense of touch, which enhances the overall realism of the experience. So today in this module one of this presentation, I will be discussing the benefits of integrating AR, VR, and haptics in the education, as well as some examples of how this technology has been used in various educational settings. So, so in this slide, as we have seen, the first thing is an AR and VR in education. So the first thing which we'll be discussing are the benefits of integration of the AR and VR in the education. So these benefits are ranged from enhancing student engagement and motivation to provide opportunities for personalized learning and improving academic performance. So AR and VR technology can also facilitate the development of a critical thinking, problem solving, and decision making skills, as well as promote collaboration and teamwork among students. So, furthermore, these technologies provide students with immersive and interactive learning experience, which can aid in retention and knowledge transfer. The second thing is haptics in education. So, in this, I will be discussing some of the benefits of haptic integration in the education. So, haptics, as we have seen before, haptics refers to the sense of touch, and the integration of haptics technology in education can provide a more immersive and realistic experience for the students. So, haptic feedback can be used to simulate each sensation, such as texture, pressure, and vibration, which can enhance the learning experience in various subjects such as science, engineering, and medicine. So, haptic technology can also provide a unique opportunity for learners to practice and refine their motor skills, especially in fields such as sports or music. So, additionally, the integration of haptic technology can aid in accessibility and inclusion by providing a multi-sensory experience for students with disability. So now the benefits of integrating AR, VR with haptics in education are discussed in this slide. So this augmented reality, virtual reality, and haptics integration is very useful for the learners in the education. So the combination of these technologies can create an even more immersive and interactive learning experience for students. By incorporating haptic feedback into AR VR environments, students can experience a more realistic and tactile learning experience, which can improve their understanding and retention of the subject matter. Additionally, we can say the integration of AR, VR, and haptics technology can provide a unique opportunity for learners to practice and refine their skills in a safe and controlled environment. So this technology can also facilitate collaboration and teamwork among students as they can work together to solve problems in a shared AR VR environment. So furthermore, if we discuss the AR VR and haptic technology can provide access to educational experiences that may be difficult or impossible to achieve in real life settings. So this is the first case study in which this is the example is shown of the medical surgery using AR, VR, and haptics. So this video will provide a first-hand look at how these technologies can be integrated to enhance medical education and training. With AR, VR, and haptic technology, medical students can practice surgical procedures in a safe and controlled environment, which can aid in their skill development and improve patient outcomes. So the use of haptic technology can provide students with a realistic tactile experience of surgical instruments and the sensation of tissue deformation and the cutting. So this video basically is demonstrating how AR, VR, and haptic technology can provide a comprehensive and interactive learning experience for medical students, which can help them better understand and retain the complex surgical procedure. So the use case of AR, VR, and haptic technology in medical surgery is just one example of these technologies that can revolutionize education and training across the variety of fields. So as we have seen that in this video that they are using the AR, VR, and haptic technology together for the surgical operations, and it is quite an good experience in a safe and controlled environment for the educators and for the learners. This second case study, which I will be discussing, is the solar system visualization, as the name suggests, because in this slide or in this video, they give a tutorial of how AR VR with the haptic technology can enhance the learning experience of our students. So this is just a simple example of a solar system visualization. So this video basically will provide an immersive and interactive experience for students to explore the planets and celestial bodies in our solar system. So with the integration of haptic technology, students can experience the texture and the shape of the planets, asteroids, and comets in the realistic manners. So as we can see, this video is basically demonstrating the whole solar system in which the Earth revolving around the sun, and this whole experience can be visualized for the by the student, so which will be very helpful to for the understanding of the student, and also for the proper learning of the students. It is very important so they can visually and by haptics feedback they can learn very effectively. So at the end, if we discuss some more use cases of AR, VR, and haptic is integrated, so some of them are listed here. The one could be the virtual field trips. So the AR, VR can allow students to explore different parts of the world without leaving their classrooms. So by integrating the haptic feedback, students can feel the textures and surfaces of the object they can interact with in the virtual environment, creating a more immersive experience. So rather than going out for some field trips, the students can sit in their classroom and they can learn very effectively. So by this AR and VR technology. The another use case could be anatomy and physiology. So AR VR can help students understand complex topics in anatomy and physiology by providing 3D models of the human body. By integrating haptic feedback, students can feel the difference between different tissues and organs and making it easier to understand. So another very good use case that could be of the AR and VR haptics integration is the history and culture. So AR, VR can provide a rich and interactive way for students to learn about historical events and cultural practices. So by integrating haptic feedbacks, students can feel the texture and materials of the artifacts from different time periods and creating a more memorable experience. So this basically slide was about the integration of benefits of the integration of AR, VR in the and haptics technology in the education sector. So further on, we will move into the next topics in which we will move about the AR, VR, and how we can integrate these technologies for this immersive experience learning.